So Sony is doing the unthinkable, and it's not what you expected it to be. So according to this recent leaks, as you can see here, Sony has patented a new controller, new kind of controller that would not have any physical buttons. As you can see here from these pictures, so this one has no physical buttons. It is supposed to be, everything is supposed to be digital, where you can change the layout of where you place your hands and how you can play. Okay, so as you can see here, this is this is the video of how it is supposed to be. Okay, they have patented it. As you can see here, everything is it's gonna be like a switch. Okay, so it will have haptic feedback, and you can change any position. As it is not a physical button, you can change the position anywhere you like. Okay, so this creates a problem, and also this fixes some problems. The problem, so as you know, the problem it creates is like, as you don't have any physical button, the tactility of this buttons and haptic feedback is not gonna cut it. Okay, it has to be like everything is like in normal things, normal controllers, it is very tactile, and you know, it is very, you feel it. Okay, but when it's haptic, okay, you don't feel any buttons, you just press it and there is like a feedback which comes in. Okay, so compare, let's look at this. Okay, so this is generally how the controller is. It has lots of lots of different like components and all that. So even though, you know, it fixes this problem that there won't be any moving parts, so you don't have to change, like if this is faulty, you don't have to like swap it out. As it is, everything is digital, you don't have to keep changing the things. Okay, so everything is very cohesive and everything, but also it creates that problem that you won't feel the tactile nature of like pressing a physical button than like doing everything like digitally. Okay, so and also it this also helps with like, if you want to replace this button, it is very kind of expensive. It is like 20 or like $14 or something like that if you want to change a single part. With the digital version, you won't have that problem anymore. Okay, so it is also like, I don't think it is a good way to go about it, because there should be options for both. Okay, like if they are patenting it, there should be options for both physical as well as this digital. Some people might like it, some don't, but yeah, I think this is a very drastic change if they are actually, if they patented it and actually are planning to do it in the future. So as you can see here, it is kind of like, this is also good for like if you want to change the position of the position of the layout of the buttons, so you can do it in this. Okay, but yeah, so this is the thing. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much.